Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0 for my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, describes some amazing scrap metal project or scrap metal different making different things ideas. So my dear guys, when we talk about a scrap metal uh, project, then different question arise in our mind like who is the biggest scrap company in the world, or why is the scrap metal used, what is the work of scrap, or how do you describe scrap metal? So, my dear guys, some biggest recycling companies in the world, which is Cleanway Waste Management Limited, revenue the company in 2019 in millions of dollars, 1890, and Covent Energy Corporation, Renewable PLC, Strilick Incorporation, GFL Environmental Incorporation, Clean Harbors Incorporation, Waste Connection Incorporation, and Republic Service. So, my dear guys, why is scrap metal used? The main use for the scrap metal cycle is for metals to be recycled and reused instead of being thrown into a landfill. When items are sold to a scrap merchant, a lot of them will be salvaged into their core parts. So these parts will then be sold to industries and companies to reuse in their newly manufactured product. So what is the work of a scrap? A scrap business involves buying and selling scrap material, including metals, paper, plastic, and other recyclable materials. So the primary goal of a scrap business is to purchase these material at a low cost, process them and sell them to buyers for profit. And how do you describe scrap metal? Put simply, my dear guys, scrap metal is a combination of waste metal, metallic material, and any product that contain metal that is capable of being recycled from previous consumption or product manufacturing. So, which country has most scrap? In 2022, the United States was by far the largest exporter of ferrous waste and scrap across the globe, with over 17 million metric tons exported. So, biggest buyer I also is the United States, which is Mexico, the biggest buyer, imported 20% of USD scrap exports that year. So Turkey was the second major buyer with the 3.36 million metric ton. But in a lot of in United States, 17.5 million metric tons of steel scrap to various countries. So is scrap metal a problem when scrap metal is dumped in the environment? Core bodies can leak toxic chemicals from oil, petrol, diesel, battery acid, coolants, and transmission, and also brake fluid. So, what is a scrap metal waste? Metal waste or scrap metal is any product that's broken or no longer usable, which is made completely or mostly from a metal material. For example, it could be broken tools, metal sheets from manufacturing, a bent pipe, so old electrical appliances, and more. So, what are scrap metal? A type of scrap metal. First of all, iron. Iron is a silver white metal that is known for its strength and durability. And steel is an alloy made from iron and carbon, with the carbon content typically ranging from 0.2% to 2.1%. And also aluminum. Aluminum is one of the most commonly recycled scrap metal, and copper, brass, nickel, titanium, and also zinc. So, which scrap is most profitable metal? So, copper is one of the most common metal you can find around your home, and one of the most highly sought after at the scrap yard. So, as a brass silver, aluminium, stainless steel, gold, lead, and much other. So, scrap product, when we talk about scrap product, then scrap consists of recyclable material, usually metal leftover from product manufacturing and consumption, such as parts of vehicle, building supplies, and surplus material. Unlike waste, scrap has a monetary value, especially recovered metal and non-metallic material are also recovered for recycling. So, broken, discarded, or rejected items are part of use as raw material or in reprocessing as old metal that can be melted and revoked. The two of them drive around collecting scrap to sell. So, for social and economical position, when it's strong, the scrap metal is much essential and much. So, how to classify scrap metal? Scrap can fall into one of two classification: ferrous and non-ferrous. So, the main difference between the two is that ferrous scrap contain iron as a major component, while non-ferrous scrap does not. Ferrous and non-ferrous scrap benefit from different construction procedure. So, my dear guys, I especially prescribe in my video this idea is a special scrap material which many person make a different toys and different decorative things, like as a decoration for different lawns, different a smart room, in a garden also you can decor decoring purpose we can use it. A scrap metal in different categorical position, different making animal and different scrap metal art, by making a scrap metal in a art, different art, like as a beautiful man, um, different a beautiful animal, a beautiful body of a man, and different birds are we can make it, and we can use some stones in in this scrap metal. But in garden special decorative purpose, we can use it a lot on big, or on a wastage also use it. So, which country export the metal scrap in 2021? Top exporter of waste and scrap cost are in United States also prescribed. So, what is the best scrap? Copper is consistently one of the most valuable types of scrap metal. So, it is used for a wide range of applications, from water pipe to heat exchanges to telecommunication wiring. Do you have old copper pots or pans? So, these can be recycled at a copper scrap yard. So, my dear guys, I think that my these scrap metal ideas interesting for you, and if interesting, then subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video with your affectionate love. So thank you very much guys for watching my video. Once again, thank you very much.